Tired of typing the same AI prompts over and over again, or getting generic AI responses that don't sound like you at all? Well, this is where Ajelix Skills come in. Think of them as custom instructions you save once and use forever. Let me show you 4 ways you can add skills to your Ajelix account and exactly how to set them up. First, log into your Ajelix account and click the Skills tab in the sidebar. You'll see 2 sections, Explore and My Skills. Explore is where you find ready-made skills. My Skills is where your personal collection lives. Let's start with the easiest option, the skill library. Ajelix offers an ever-growing library covering business, data analytics, finance, marketing, sales, and more. New skills get added regularly. Browse through the available skills. When you find one you want, click Install. Here's the important part. Choose whether to apply this skill to just this project or across all your projects. If it's something you'll use everywhere, like CEO skill, go with all projects. If it's specific to one client or campaign, keep it to this project only. Click Install and it's ready to use immediately. No setup required. Found a skill on GitHub or shared in the community? You can import it directly. First, find the skill file on GitHub or any compatible source. Download the raw file. Now compress it into a zip file. On most computers, just right-click the file, select Compress to, and choose Zip File. Head back to Ajelix. Go to the My Skills tab and click Import Skill. Upload your compressed file. Now it's in your personal library, ready to use. This is where Ajelix gets really powerful. You can build a skill that's completely tailored to you. In the My Skills tab, click Create Skill. Choose where to install it, this project or all projects. Write a skill name, something descriptive like Q4 Campaign Brief Generator. Add a description so you and Ajelix know what it's for and when to use it. Here's the heart of it all, the skill content. This is where you encode your tone of voice, writing style, branding guidelines, or specific workflows. Write detailed instructions. Add examples of good outputs. Include what not to do. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. Click Create Skill and you're done. Now you get consistent on-brand results every single time. Not sure what to write? Here's a pro tip. Let AI analyze your existing data first. Export data from any platform you use. LinkedIn Analytics, YouTube Stats, Google Analytics, CRM reports, sales data, email campaigns, you name it. Drop the file into Ajelix chat and ask AI to analyze it. Have it find patterns, what works, what doesn't, what you should focus on. Review those insights, then paste them directly into your skill content. Now your skill is built around your actual data and tailored specifically to you. Rather not write your own skills at all? No problem, use Skill Generator. It's an official Ajelix skill that builds skills for you. First, find Skill Creator in the Skills library and install it. Now describe what you need. Be specific, something like create a marketing skill that follows my campaign planning process, or build a LinkedIn writing skill in my tone of voice. Add details about your process. Share examples, explain specific knowledge the skill should include. Skill Creator generates a complete skill file with proper structure and instructions. It automatically adds the skill to your My Skills tab. Review it. If needed, ask AI agent to tweak the tone or add a specific example. Now your skill is ready to use. Stop fighting with generic AI. Build skills once and use them forever. You'll thank yourself later, because with Ajelix, it's that easy.